So, say small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Ado, small intestine की length से सांग से it varies. Masi sangmo manati habini jiba amaga small intestine ji sangmo manate. Karigino sangmo manati se karam jibadani hena sangi karam jibadani hena teli habasi kanada depend tauge haba matamda. It depends on the type of food they eat. Haiba animal duna chariba chinjak to adu depend taweba. Aduna karam chinjak chaba jiba singna small intestine ji hena sange karam bana hena tenge habasi yengse. The small intestine is very long in herbivores habani ko. Aduna mana masing napi singbi chaba jiba singse herbivores singse sidana hena small intestine ji sange. Kanada ke then in carnivores sing chaba sa singdagi di manam sing chaba sa singi small intestine na hena sangbe heli habani. Karigino habadu yengse. Si yam hangi parikhada the small intestine is very long is longer in herbivores than in case of carnivores. Why? Hangi 1 mark period ko. Masi karigino yengse. Masi sangi se karigino hai matamda masi sangalise it to facilitate the digestion of cellulose of the plants by passing through a long distance habani. Mana masing chaba napi singbi chaba jiba singse moina chariba napi plant material sidi kari magi main components hai matamda cellulose koba complex carbohydrate amakhakne. Masi carbohydrate masi cellulose haiba carbohydrate se masi digestion toba yamna why hai tare. Aduga masi digestion toba si warabanina hena sangan taragadi masi digestion toba da mating pangba helakane ba. Tien taragadi pass toba da magi ngasai changakadoriba chinjak to sum mathang jathagi matamda tumdana mapanda thoki be yaiba aduna sang taragadi digestion tawbada mating pange. So cellulose haibasi digestion tawba luba component amakaknina material amanina masi digestion tawbasi sangandragadi digest tawbasi why haidana moida yawriba small intestine ki sangi banebako. The small intestine is shorter in carnivores. Carnivores saying chaba jibadadi moiji small intestine si teli karigino because it is easier to digest the animal tissues. Animal tissues digestion to lai aduga masai plant tissues akoina chari plant material to the cellulose di herbivores na chari cellulose digest to lui aduna hena digest to busi aru posi digest mapung phana to honge tari hena sang badakar tai haibani. So this is the reason karigino magi small intestine si herbivores na hen sang si karigino hai tadi because digestion of cellulose is difficult and digestion of animal tissues are easier hai tari ko similar. Now digestion of carbohydrates is important ko. Digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats are completed in the small intestine. Small intestine the digestion of carbohydrates, digestion of proteins, digestion of fats is complete especially. And karamba jagada in which part of the alimentary canal the digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats are completed and it is completed in the small intestine. So small intestine the kari tauge have to yengse the small intestine receives small intestine kaino phangdori kaino moin phangdoisa mana phangdoisa the secretion of the liver hariba organ si dai thadorakpa secretion liver na thadori si karino yengse bile hariba bile juice hai sini ko man thadori si ko bile juice the bile salts yaudini. So small intestine receive tawdori si ihan hanbada secretion of liver si bile kawe ani subada the small intestine receives the secretion of the pancreas ko ba topo organ amasulai masigi pancreas na thadori si karino it secretes the pancreatic juice aduna samna small intestine da bile thajale kanana liver na aduga pancreatic juice thajale kanana pancreas na yengsi kadai wai jaga da yauge habdo. So liver have si later. So liver si swai jaga sini si organ sini yam chaw organ ne aduga pancreas hai jina si jaga sini so na kan ge right side sina pancreas left side sina liver ne. So liver dai thador ka si bile aduga pancreas dai thador ka sina pancreatic juice hari ba liver ki secretion aduga pancreas ki secretion ani se kada thajal ke hai matamda it will be sent to the small intestine that thazalakani habane. So makha yengse the food coming from the stomach is acidic. Akoina ngasai stomach tagi magi gastric gland na thadorpa acidic HCl sina maram oidana food se kai tawon masi acidic ohengrabneva. So the food coming from the stomach is acidic as it is mixed with HCl. HCl mixed together masi acidic oide. This acidic food has to be made alkaline since the pancreatic enzymes act in an alkaline medium. Pancreas na thadoriba pancreatic juice the yauriba pancreatic enzymes sing se enzyme khara yauri ko adu kari kari no du kona lakani hairiba pancreatic enzymes sing se karamba medium the work toge haibu ngasagi enzyme pepsin duna acidic medium the work toba hauji hairiba pancreatic enzyme pancreas ki pancreatic juice the yauriba pancreatic enzymes ngai sina karamba medium the act toge matam da they act in the alkaline medium aduna ngasagi akoi chang kadoriba chinjak to di stomach tagi lakuni na mas acidic oidoineba adu alkaline medium ama create tawdaba yadeba aduna alkaline medium da create tawba se change se masi kanana tawhange haibu masi bile na taholi aduna bile gi hanan ba function se to create an alkaline medium to convert the food which is acidic into an alkaline medium kai tawnaba so that the pancreatic enzymes do their function. Pancreatic enzymes moi function tawba yanaba gi damakta ne haitare. Mathang da yengse bile salts ngai gi atop function. Bile salts also act on the large fat globules. Khoi chari basin jaksi fat yawe haib se khoi khangrabani aduna ngasai gi fat globule acho ba fat ki component sing se mana bile salts sing sina macha thongna thukai haibani adoi tardi digestion ji acho ba component tu fat acho ba thukai digestion to budi macha du digest to buni hena lai ga doini aduna ne mana fat globule ji acho ba tu macha thongna thukai ji kanana thukai bile na thukai masiki process sibu akoi kai kauge hai matam da emulsification of fat and kawe paikha da yam hange si question se emulsification of fat is important niko. So define emulsification of fats hena yam hange definition ko jan traga what is the emulsification of fat hange emulsification of fat kanana to holi hange masi bile na to holi masi kada wai jaga da tawe masi small intestine ki jaga da tawe. So bile ki function ani lere. The first function of bile ji kari no hai kanda acidic food to alkaline onthokpa kai tawna ba pancreatic enzyme pancreatic juice to yauriba pancreatic enzymes ngai si mathau tawna ba aduga mathang dana achauba fat globules sing du macha tongna thugai ba picture ta di digestion to ba lai dana ko adugi ne hai tare. So bile ki function ani lai adugi hojiki fat globule thugai ba gi process sibo akoi emulsification of fats ka happen hojiki yengse small intestine da thajal leiba mangoda secretion ani bile gi matang da yengre mathang da yengdo si pancreatic juice ki matang da yengdoni pancreatic juice ta kari yauri. The pancreatic juice contains enzymes kai enzymes to mangoda yauri se such as the enzyme no yengmi siko enzymes such as trypsin ko enzyme am yawi kai dauna bana trypsin ki function se digesting protein digest tauna bani protein digest tauna ba enzyme ani lai stomach tana gastric gland na thadorokpa pepsin small intestine dana pancreas na thadorokpa trypsin lipase ko enzyme am su yawe sigi lipase in mai mathau se kaino for digesting emulsified fats hai tadi achoba fat globule du ngai macha thongna thugai gre hai gre bile na adugi emulsified fat ngai du digest tawbata lipase na mating pangi adugi enzyme amagusu yauri. It also contains enzyme kari enzyme no amylase ko enzyme amagusu yauri masigi amylase ki function si kaino hai kanda digestion of carbohydrate digestion ne. So pancreatic juice to yauri ba pancreatic enzymes or pancreas ki function si kaino hai kanda pancreas ki function di secretion of pancreatic juice which contains pancreatic enzymes such as trypsin for digesting proteins, lipase for digesting emulsified fats and amylase for digesting carbohydrates. Similarly, sigisina function of pancreas akoi karam jaga da thadorok pano magi enzyme ji kada jaga da thadorok pano have to yengre. First enzyme thadorok pase ihan han jaga se mouth ta salivary amylase natraga tyline ji thadore mathang da stomach ta gastric gland na pepsin thadore aduga ahum subata pancreatic juice or pancreatic enzymes ngai si pancreas na small intestine da thajal ai habne sigi sina pancreas na small intestine da thajalak pa hojiki sina makha cha thar ka doi sina hoigi small intestine gi walls and the walls of the small intestine masi chu kari tauge ha matam da they also secrete they also contains glands moi desu glands kar yarum meba haribu glands ina they secrete kai thadore they secrete protein carbohydrate and fat digesting enzymes kar thadore I haibane so punna mari sure hojik enzyme secrete tobum se aduna first ta salivary gland na saliva thadorok pada salivary amylase yawe kadai da mouth ta ani subu matam ani subadana stomach ta phangba gastric glands ngaina gastric juice thadorok pada pepsin ko ba enzyme ama yawe ahum subada pancreas na magi pancreatic juice secrete tobusita pancreatic enzymes mayam yawe mari subada small intestine da gland kare yawi small intestine gi wall da asi glands sing si kari tauge haibu they secrete protein digesting enzyme carbohydrate digesting enzymes and fat digesting enzymes singa si thadui haibu aduna masigi enzyme ngai sina kai tawlane finally it will convert akoina chari ba chinjak sing do loimak digestion tawlane aduna kai tawlane it converts protein akoina chabada chinjak yawi ba protein do kari do onthokane proteins into amino acid when chari ba complex carbohydrate like akoigi starch to kari do onthokane chak yawi ba starch to into glucose madi monosaccharide ne yam chamba simple carbohydrate ne aduga fat akoina chari ba thau gi saruk fat chungdu kai do onthokane it will be converted into fatty acid and glycerol si final product si chu pe kha thang ba yawi protein na kari oi final product of protein digestion se amino acid final product of carbohydrate digestion se glucose and the final product of fat digestion se fatty acids and glycerol similar so howsik digestion ji loire kana ba potsak mayam si akoi amino acid glucose fatty acid glycerol sing si kana potsak mayam ji kadai di yawre masi small intestine di yawre hauji akoina lakadori ba mathangi approach ji kaino hay matamda akoi kana ba potsak akoi nutrient mayam se kana ba nutrient mayam se kadai wai darkar lai ke habne akoi darkar lai badi each and every cell of our body akoi hakchang gi cell khudi mok loimak darkar lai ba ado hauji yawri si kadai dena yawri si small intestine de ne ba ado itaragadi each and every part of our body ji yohon ba darkar tai ado di kanana yohon gani koi any part of the body ji shock matamda koi e thoe ado itardi kai na haining is it is a connective tissue blood se connective tissue ne koi each and every part of the body yo with is na ado itardi ngasai gi digested food nutrient mayam do e da changal laga e duna yoholak taragadi cell jing ji loimu yoba yagane ba adoi targadi small intestine the yauri ba digested food products ngasagi nutrient mayam do hana absorb toraga I da yohon bam darkar tayeba adoi tari mathang di yeng dosi akoi absorption jineba digestion ji loire so the digested food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine gi walls ina digested food ngai si absorb to bodoine haibane masida absorb to boda nungaina ba small intestine gi wall sigi inner lining jida structure am ko yauri haiba structure sigi mameng villi kawe so villi si karino the inner lining of the small intestine is provided with numerous masing yamba small yam big pa finger like khutsa manba projections is thindorak pa bani ko small intestine de thindorak ka doini called the villi which increases the surface area of absorption surface area hengal han gadoini kamaina hengal han gano hengal han no habido ko yeng sista so see is small intestine gi wall dune maji manung gi wall dune sida khutsa manba projections masa mayam thoglei si oitar di area si hengal ledana ko sumaina round taram babudi hajik area si swai jaga ngai ji loimak area hengal hal leba absorption to bu nuai hal leba si masa mayam yawi si jaga si to si chawthora ka yeng tam to masa mayam yawi sigi small finger like projections ngai magi surface area for absorption ji man masing ji hengal hal leba aduna masidagi man absorb torakanda to sigi singli singje sida absorb to holaga blood ta yohon di doine haibani so the villi are richly supplied with blood vessels. Hariba villi jingsi kari yawe moi manungda they are richly supplied with blood vessels. Villi gi manung sida tus blood vessels mayam yauri. So the absorbed food is transported aduna hojiki food si absorb toksale kanana toksale villi gi mateng na small intestine ngai sina toksale aduga the absorbed food is transported by blood to each and every cell of the body. aduna akoi cell hakchang gi cell kodi makta transport tawgadoi se blood nani adada kari kari da season ani obtaining energy, building up new tissues and repair of damaged tissues si de akoi ngasa namang da tamgre food ki significance ta tamgre ko mathang da digested food ki matang loire aji undigested food tumhogdaba food to madu undigested and unabsorbed digestion to loire kana tumhogdaba food chupsal hogdaba food ngai kadai da la ani it will be sent to the next part of the alimentary canal kai no madu tia the large intestine hai da thajala ani masidadi kai tawai large intestine gi function si parikya da hangba yawi large intestine gi function si unabsorbed food say is sent to the kadai da thangi part da large intestine da. So most of the water is absorbed aduna large intestine gi function si absorption of water in the blood. Large intestine da sunga sai gi blood vessels mayam ma supply yawrim ne moi su sai gi villi da yawa dumaina aduna sai e du da water si moi jupsale adu da gi di sai water da jupsala kanda undigested portion do tumhogda ba saruk kai do undigested portion of the food is removed from the body through the anus aduna koi number 2 do ko. The exit of the undigested waste material is regulated by a sphincter muscle of the anus. I think I have the sphincter muscle say jaga alimentary tract ki jaga sing the yam yawi haidana atopa jaga sing the yawi haidana and anus ki da su akoi number 2 to matam da exit of undigested waste material si exit to matam da regulation to rise masi kanana no hai matam da anus ta yawba sphincter muscle na ni habani hauji akoi digestion se loire. So digestion loirabanina mathangi topic si respiration ne. So mayam